Transforming your outdoor space, innovative landscaping hacks for a personalized touch. When it comes to crafting the perfect outdoor oasis, your garden serves as a canvas waiting to be painted with your vision. By incorporating landscaping techniques and DIY landscaping tips, you can elevate your backyard design and create a space that truly reflects your style. Here are some unique landscaping ideas and gardening hacks that will inspire your garden creativity and enhance your garden aesthetics. Embrace vertical gardening. Incorporating vertical elements into your garden design not only maximizes space but also adds depth and dimension. Consider installing trellises, wall planters, or hanging pots to create a stunning vertical garden. This outdoor styling hack is particularly effective for small backyards, allowing you to grow a variety of plants without sacrificing ground space. Curate a personalized plant palette. Your garden should be a reflection of your personality. Choose plants that resonate with you, whether it's vibrant flowers, lush greenery, or aromatic herbs. By selecting a personalized plant palette, you can create a cohesive look that speaks to your style. Incorporate native plants to promote sustainability and support local wildlife, making your garden both beautiful and environmentally friendly. Design functional hardscapes. Incorporate functional hardscapes into your landscape design to enhance usability while adding visual interest. Create pathways with natural stone or gravel, and consider building seating areas with benches or fire pits. These elements not only contribute to your backyard design but also invite relaxation and socialization, making your outdoor space a true extension of your home. Experiment with color and texture. Play with color and texture to create a dynamic garden aesthetic. Use a mix of foliage with varying shades of green, alongside colorful blooms and textured ground covers. For a bold statement, consider adding decorative features like colorful pots, unique sculptures, or artistic garden stakes. This creative landscaping approach ensures that every corner of your garden remains engaging and visually appealing. Incorporate eco-friendly practices. Sustainable gardening practices are vital for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Implement techniques such as composting, rainwater harvesting, and using organic fertilizers. Additionally, consider xeriscaping by choosing drought-resistant plants to conserve water. By integrating these sustainable landscaping ideas, you not only enhance your garden's beauty but also contribute positively to the environment. Your garden is an extension of your personality, and with these creative landscaping hacks, you can transform it into a personalized paradise. By embracing innovative ideas and sustainable practices, you will not only achieve an aesthetically pleasing outdoor space but also create a haven that promotes relaxation and enjoyment. Remember, the key to exceptional garden creativity lies in your willingness to explore new concepts and make them your own. Crafting a garden that resonates with your personality requires more than just planting a few flowers. It demands creativity and thoughtful planning. With the right approach, you can elevate your outdoor styling and create a unique oasis that reflects your individual taste. Here are some cutting-edge landscaping hacks to help you achieve a stunning backyard design infused with your signature style. Embrace creative landscaping techniques. To truly stand out, consider incorporating creative landscaping techniques. Utilize organic shapes and natural materials to create flow and harmony in your garden. Curved pathways and irregularly shaped flower beds can add an element of surprise and intrigue, breaking away from the conventional straight lines of traditional gardens. This not only enhances garden aesthetics but also invites exploration. Integrate DIY landscaping tips. Harness the power of DIY landscaping to make your garden truly yours. Simple projects such as building raised garden beds or crafting decorative planters can personalize your space while providing functionality. Use repurposed materials like old pallets or bricks to create unique structures that serve both artistic and practical purposes. These smaller projects can be fulfilling and contribute to the overall charm of your backyard. Explore unique landscaping ideas. Think outside the box when it comes to unique landscaping ideas. How about creating a themed garden that mirrors your passions? For instance, a sensory garden filled with fragrant herbs, colorful flowers, and textured plants can stimulate the senses and provide a serene retreat. Alternatively, a wildlife-friendly garden with native plants can attract birds and butterflies, enhancing your garden's biodiversity while promoting sustainability. Focus on garden creativity. Garden creativity goes beyond just planting, it involves how you envision your outdoor space. Consider incorporating art into your landscaping, such as sculptures, mosaic paths, or decorative trellises. These elements can serve as focal points, drawing the eye and adding layers of interest to your design. Additionally, experimenting with colors and textures in plant selection can create dramatic contrasts that captivate the viewer. Prioritize sustainable gardening practices. Incorporating sustainable gardening practices is essential for both the planet and your garden's longevity. Opt for native plants that require less water and maintenance, and consider using organic mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Implementing a rain garden or a composting system can further enhance your backyard design while promoting ecological health. Sustainable gardening not only benefits the environment but also enriches your garden's aesthetics and vitality. In conclusion, your garden is a canvas for creativity and expression. By embracing these innovative landscaping hacks, you can develop a personalized garden design that not only reflects your unique style but also contributes to the environment. With thoughtful planning and a little imagination, your outdoor space can become a stunning testament to your gardening prowess. So roll up your sleeves and let your garden creativity flourish.